sticking to the point, understanding, like glue. Hey there, language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a fun and descriptive English phrase, like glue. Ever wondered what it means and how to use it? Stick around, and you'll find out. Imagine two things that are attached together so tightly that they seem inseparable. This is what glue does, right? It sticks things together. The term, like glue, comes from the property of glue being sticky. In the English language, many phrases have meanings that go beyond their literal interpretations. When someone says, like glue, they aren't always talking about the actual adhesive substance. Instead, it can be used to describe 1. Close relationships or friendships. If two people are always together, you might say they are stuck together like glue. 2. Dedication or attentiveness. If someone is paying very close attention to a task or lesson, you could say they're watching it like glue. 3. Persistence. If something won't go away or is persistent, it might be described as sticking around like glue. To understand better, let's look at a few example sentences. 1. Ever since they met at the summer camp, those two have been stuck together like glue. 2. She focuses on her studies like glue. Nothing can distract her. 3. The rumor about the surprise test has been sticking around like glue. Everyone's talking about it. If you're looking to diversify your vocabulary, here are a few synonyms or similar phrases for like glue. 1. Inseparably. 2. Closely. 3. Tightly bound. We've peeled apart the meaning of like glue today. It's a fantastic phrase to describe anything from friendships to focus. Hopefully, this explanation has made the concept stick in your mind. Keep exploring the English language, and stay tuned for more fun phrases in our upcoming videos.